Hey guys, it's Tony. I wanted to do a quick update on the SPY TA that I did yesterday. Basically saying that I think it's going down to 374. We actually closed above this 388 level. We closed at like 392, which is actually really good, but we actually closed under this 394 level. So, you know, we need to gauge the momentum to see exactly what's going on the MACD. If we do create, as you guys can see down here, there's these light blue candles and these dark blue candles. The light blue candles basically mean that bullish momentum is starting to, you know, kind of rev back up, and the dark candles are indicating that we are creating that bullish momentum is actually dying. So we need to wait to see how this plays out. If we actually create a brand new, you know, we start creating brand new, you know, these light blue bullish stronger candles, then I do think we're gonna pass that 390, what is it, that 394 that 394 previous resistance. What I'm looking for right now is for us to actually cross over on this MACD, and we need to cross over towards the bearish side. You know, we don't need this to be down, but in order for actually it to hit 374, this needs to cross bearish, and then that's when the actual, you know, the lower part of the market starts dropping, right? Market structure, as far as for the SPY right now, is completely bullish, but, you know, market structure, I like to, you know, respect it and stuff, but I do tend to actually look at the MACD and the stochastic just to kind of have a little bit more confluence as to what I think the market's going to do. I'm basically waiting for this week to play out to see what's actually going to happen, but I do think if we do not cross that 394 level, you know, this week, there's a big chance that, you know, we are going to go down to 374. And I'm still short-term bearish. I'm not bullish yet. You know, there's no reason for me to be bullish yet. I'm still waiting to see what actually happens in the next couple of days on the SPY. So, you know, like I said, right now, short-term bearish, still very long-term bullish on the SPY, obviously. If you're not bullish on the SPY, then you're basically saying that America is going to go down the drain, right? But again, there's still a big chance that we'll drop to 374, or at least create new bottoms, right? Which is kind of the scary part. Do I think that we actually gonna drop low? I mean, it's not necessarily looking like the best thing right now, but, you know, I did tell you guys that, you know, usually on average, the S&P 500 stays bullish or stays bearish for like 4 weeks. So right now we are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be the last week compared to the last time that we actually ran. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So around 5 weeks. Last time we were bearish around 5 weeks, and we basically consolidated, right? We went from these prices of 321 up to 350, and then we dropped all the way down to 321 again, right? So it might just kind of happen again. So the thing is, we might actually go from the bottoms of 373 up to 394, draw back down to these ranges, and then just shoot all the way back up, right? So as of right now, I'm still short-term bearish. I don't think the SPY, you know, as far as the TA is showing me, there's no reason for me to think that the SPY is going to break that 400-point mark. It can definitely do that, but as far as what TA is showing me, you know, we need to really see and wait out if it actually breaks this, you know, the 394 like 50 range. If it breaks 394.50, there's a solid chance we're gonna shoot up straight to 400. But if tomorrow, you know, if this week really we don't break that $400 mark, there's a very strong chance that we're gonna go all the way back down to 374. So we really need to gauge on this week to see how the SPY is actually gonna play out. So, you know, get your butts ready, because this week's gonna be very important.